Welcome to the NCC Libraries database tutorial for Gale literature. Gale literature includes full-text literary criticisms, author biographies, and commentary of literary works. Gale literature is located on the database's A to Z page. When searching in Gale literature, it's recommended to start with an author or name of work. I'm going to search for Edgar Allan Poe. The first thing you'll see on the page is a topic overview of the author. On the right-hand side, we have related content, which includes popular works by the author, as well as a page for themes commonly found throughout the author's work. As we scroll down on the page, we see more about Edgar Allan Poe, and here's where we can find the literature criticisms. These are an analysis of the author, a single work, or comparing different works, and they're best for supporting your own ideas in your English 2 papers. Let's take a look at them. What we see here is 324 criticisms about Edgar Allan Poe, but we want to narrow that down to focus on a single work. We can do that by coming to the right-hand side of the page and selecting Name of Work. You can type the work that you want to find into the search box, or you can locate it in the drop-down menu. I'm going to select The Fall of the House of Usher and click Apply. And now we have 34 results that specifically talk about The Fall of Usher and our literature criticisms. If we want to narrow our search further to find keywords or themes within these articles, we can select Search Within and type in our theme. I'm going to take a look at one of these works. At the top of the page, you'll see the title of the article as well as information about the author and the publisher. The article is in the center of the page, and on the right-hand side we have an Explore section to find more similar articles as well as related subjects. The related subjects can be helpful if you're not sure what themes to focus on with your work or are looking for more content that is similar to what you're looking at currently. We can save, download, and print this article from one of these buttons underneath the title of the article. So we've got Save to Google Drive or OneDrive. You can email the article to yourself, which is what I personally recommend. And then we have downloading the article and printing the article. You can also do all of those functions under the Send To option on the right-hand side of the page at the top. You'll also notice that we have a Cite button here. When we click on that, a new window opens up with your citation inside of it. It automatically goes to MLA 9th edition. You can use this for your Works Cited page. However, we do recommend that you double check that the citation is correct and that you don't lose any formatting when copying and pasting it into your own work. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any other library questions, you're welcome to connect with your librarian. You can stop by the Research Help Desk at the Bethlehem or Pocono campuses to speak with us directly. You can schedule a Book a Librarian research consultation appointment. These can be in person or online. You can hop onto our Ask the Librarian chat, which is located on the library homepage, or you can email us at askthelibrarian@northampton.edu.